What's up, YouTube? I'm here with Sons of NBA Player Highlights, which means we about to see LeBron's son, I guess, Dwayne Wade's son. Basically, people that's in the NBA, their sons. Basically, that's trying to be like them, but probably not going to be like them. They're probably going to be nothing like them. So, yeah. Oh. I gotta put in my headphones. Yeah. Dwayne Wade, Zary Wade, that's his name? Zari Wade?
So every now and again, I try to show them, or I tell them to go watch some old YouTube. I try to show them that Pops can get up sometime.
Is that true? Do you give him a hard time about dunking?
Yeah, I do.
I thought he was watching highlights. I thought he was watching highlights.
What you said before the camera was done? He was clutch. There you go.
He wasn't clutch. That's his son? Alright. He look like this guy though. Him and his father got that same look. Alright, here we go. Ooh, that layup. Okay. He just Alright, I see the layup. Oh, he faking, bruh. He faking. 3 splash. Alright. He probably gonna be better than his father. Shaq's son, Sharif O'Neal. 6'9"? How old is he? You should put the age on this jump. "23". That haircut though. I think I might get that jump. That jump. Damn. They set that up. Y'all saw how they set that. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Get that out of here, boy. No, nobody's stopping that. Nobody's stopping that. I want to see him versus Zion. That would be sweet. That would be Zion Williamson, whatever that name is. Whatever his last name is. Y'all know who I'm talking. He bumped. He bumped. He's sweet. He went like that too. Oh no. That man got out the way. That boy jumped high. Oh yeah, Manu Bowl. Manu Bowl son. Yeah. Ooh. He got the handles too? He got the handles? If he has handles, he's gonna be dangerous. Look how long he is, bro. No homo.
Yep.
Look at that, bro. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Come on, come on. Yeah, there's no stopping. Bo. Why you name him Bo? No offense, but Bo. Why would you want your first name and your last name to be the same? He is tough though. Don't get me wrong. That nigga's tough. That boy tough. That boy tough. Get that out of here, boy. Fuck is he talking about? Post him up. Post him up. Hold on. He got to get the rebound or pass. Dunk. That's that easy, bro. It's that easy. All you gotta do. Uh-oh. Oh, good pass. That's boy. Get out. Oh my goodness. Smack that joint out of the air. Oh yeah. King James Jr. King James Jr. How old is he? He probably the youngest out of everyone. And LeBron's probably the oldest out of all the ones except for Manu Bowl. Good pass. The guy must not have finished that. Uh-oh. Ooh, the pass is just like his father. Look at that. He got the same pass package as his father. Ooh, that layup. I like it. I like it. Ooh, that boy. Oh, did they just show it? Ooh, foul. And one. Wait, give me that. I already seen who he was passing it to. It's too easy for King James Jr. No, what the fuck? It sounded like I was sucking on that King James Jr. The fuck? Three. Good pass. I didn't even see that pass from him. Ooh. He don't seem as tall as he should be. For real, for real. Ooh. That's tough. That's tough. Yeah, that's tough. Yeah, the LeBron son, he gonna be some. Oh, that's all. Well, all right, guys. That's all for Sons of NBA player highlights. The son that I think is gonna be best is rather Sharif O'Neal or Bobo. LeBron's son, he just like good, but I gotta see more. I gotta see more Dwayne Wade's son. It's like Bobo, Bobo. He has like PG skills and center skills. That's like a Magic Johnson, another Magic Johnson, basically. So if you put him in the NBA and he's doing stuff like that, he's gonna be a problem, a big problem. But yeah, like and subscribe. Subscribe another time. Subscribe another time. And I'm out.